As it's Valentine's Day today, I thought we could go over how to both say and pronounce Happy Valentine's Day in Finnish. So in Finnish, Happy Valentine's Day is Hyvää ystävänpäivää. Hyvää, 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 hyvää ystävänpäivää. 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 Hyvää ystävänpäivää. Bit of a mouthful, eh? Just try to break it up into pieces and say it bit by bit, and eventually you can combine it and pronounce it pretty well when you put it all together. So the actual translation is hyvä means good. The extra a in the ending is the partitive or partitiivi case. You're using it because you're wishing someone something. In this case, you're wishing them a happy Valentine's Day. So it's the same thing for wishing someone a happy birthday or Merry Christmas. You add the partitive case ending of an extra a/a, in this case an extra a. That's why it's good plus a. Ystävä is friend. Ystävän with the extra n on the end means friends. And then päivä is day, and with the extra a, again it's the partitive ending case. In this case, it is again because you're wishing someone something. So the actual translation is Good Friends Day. So I just wanted to wish everyone hyvää ystävänpäivää. I just wanted to also let you know on my main channel I made a video about ystävänpäivä in Finland, how it's celebrated, stuff like that. So go over and give it a watch if you are interested. Besides that, hyvää ystävänpäivää to you guys, and I guess that just about concludes this video. Till next time.
Are you feeling my way?